Sometimes just, keep out of the limelight. But, she's the limelight. She is the queen of TikTok. And that's why all of you sick with the Ivani Badmind disease, because you don't have nothing else to do other than to sit down and talk about her name. You go want to see Sunshine all night. Sunshine should not stop vomit. Guys, do you have any anti-emetic? It's called anti-vomiting medication. Please give Sunshine, Destiny, Banks, and all of them over there some anti-vomiting and anti-diarrhea medication, because they're suffering from the Ivani Badmind disease. And the only way they can be cured is to go repent. Cause there's no cure for Badmind, other than you clean your heart. There's no cure for Badmind other than you go clean your heart. Right? So, please, all Ivani haters, go and get a life. Go and get a life. If you don't have no life, clearly that's why